I welcome you all. Unit 522 CS 102, the software development practice. This is Jagadeesan, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering in R.M.D.E. Engineering College. In this video, we learn about event handling. The first point, the HTML events are things that happen to HTML elements. The point number two, when JavaScript is used to HTML page, JavaScript can react on this event. According to the event, JavaScript can be react. The point number three, an HTML event can be something the browser does or something user does. So the last point here are the some example HTML event. An HTML web page has a finished loading. An HTML input field was changed. An HTML button was clicked. The HTML allow event handler attribute with JavaScript code to be added to the HTML element. With single quotation, we are going to use in the tag event element and the event attribute. We are going to within the single quotation some JavaScript. With double quotation, the element, the event attribute in that double quotation, some JavaScript code can be added. Example, this button is the event. This should be on click should be an event. The button is a element. The on click is a event. In that, we are going to print document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML. We are going to get the date. So this the time is the button should be closed. The on clicking that button it shows you the date. JavaScript code is often the several lines long. It's more common to see the event attribute calling the function button on this display date. The greater than symbol, the time is question mark, then we close the button tag. The HTML tag is open, body tag should be open, the HTML, the JavaScript HTML element, H2 tag should be closed. The paragraph tag clicking the button is displayed. How the on click event. With the help of on click event, by clicking the button, it displays the date. Button, then on click event and display the date. The time is, the button name is, the time is. We are going to click the button to display the date. Then function, the display date function. We are going to create the within the script tag. We are going to create the function with help of function keyword. Then name of the function is created. Document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML equal to date. We are going to get into date. Script tag should be closed. Paragraph tag. The ID is the attribute. The value is demo. The paragraph tag should be closed. The body tag should be closed. Head tag should be closed. What are the events should be available? On change, the HTML element has been changed. On click, the user clicks the HTML element. On mouse over, the user the mouse over on the HTML element. On mouse out, the user move the mouse away from the HTML element. On key down, the user pushes a keyboard key. Then on load, the browser has finished the loading the page. The event handler can use the handle and verify the user input, user action, and browser action. Point number one, he thinks that it should be done every time the page goes. He thinks that it should be done with the page is closed. Action that it should be performed when the user clicks on button. The content that should be verified, the user input data. Many different methods can be used to let JavaScript work with the elements. It could be worked in the events. Then HTML event attribute can execute the JavaScript code directly. HTML event attribute can call the JavaScript function. You can assign your own event handler function to HTML elements. We can prevent the event from the beginning to send and begin to end. Then we go for on mouse over event handling. The HTML tag should be open, body tag should be open. The image tag we have to put on mouse over. It's a big image. On mouse out is a normal image. Two functions can be given here. Function big image. X dot style dot height. If it is big image, this can be 64 pixels. X dot height style dot width 64 pixels. The normal image x dot HTML x dot style dot height 32 pixels. X dot style dot width 32 pixels. Here the normal image is going to height and width should be a 32 pixels. Then border equals 0. SRC we are going to path of the image. We have to mention that. Then alert ALT, the smiley image is there with 32, height is 30. The paragraph is there, the function became is declaring the moves the mouse pointer over the image. The function normally means it triggered that mouse pointer is move out of the image. The script tag, we have the function, big image and normal image. The script tag should be closed, body tag should be closed, HTML should be closed. And next one, on focus. Then HTML tag is to open, body tag should be open, H1, HTML DOM of event is there, H2 is closed, H2, the focus event, H2 should be closed, enter your name, the input type equal to text, on focus equal to my function of this. We calling the my function here, the my function of x dot style, background color is a yellow. We are mentioning that is the text box should be background color should be yellow. When the input field is get focused, then it changes the background color. The script tag should be closed, body tag should be closed, HTML should be closed. The another event handling function on key down. So HTML open, tag is open, body tag is open, and paragraph tag a function is triggered when the user pressing a key into the input field. Paragraph tag should be input type is text on key down. My function should be script tag function my function. The alert message can be displayed. You press a key inside the input field. The script tag is closed, body tag should be closed, HTML should be closed. Next one is the onload event. The document type HTML is a version of the HTML5. The HTML body tag onload my function. In the loading a page, we're going to call that function my function. In my function, the alert message is the page is loading. The H1 tag HTML document. H2 tag is onload event. The script tag within the field of my function can be displayed here. The script tag is closed, body tag is closed, HTML is closed. Thank you.